Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change date and time in your phone Vivo V21e. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and scroll down. You will find system. Click on system. Now you have to select date and time here. Select date and time and turn off the button against set time automatically, so you can change time manually. Here you have to select date. First you have to select date and you can change date here. So here I would like to change it to 26 and click on OK. Then click on time and here you can change the time of your phone. So here I would like to select 2:55 and click on OK. Then here use 24-hour format is already set, so time is in 24-hour format. For example, if I change time to 20:55 and it will be displayed in 24-hour format, that is railway format. Go to the home page and you will see the change of date and time. See the changes. Date and time have been changed now. If you would like to use 12-hour format, again go to the same settings and then click on system, click on date and time and use 24-hour format. Here you have to turn off this button, so 12-hour format will be followed. See here. Now time is in 12-hour format. If you would like to update date and time automatically, then you have to turn on set automatically button. Go to the settings again and click on system and click on date and time and set time automatically button is available here. Just turn on this button and date and time will be updated automatically in your phone. In this way you can easily customize date and time in your phone Vivo V21e. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.